Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm the Snatchless here on YouTube. If you do not know me, hello, hi, how are you? How's it going? Welcome. So for today I am doing another keto cooking video, hence why I'm in my kitchen. So today we are going to be making Pavlova, which is a traditionally Russian dessert. It's coming from the Keto Sweet Tooth cookbook. As always, the cookbook will be linked in the description box down below, as well as the ingredients that you need for this. So this recipe makes 6 servings, serving size is 1 slice, total net carbs is 3, so you know, let's get into it. First thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 390 and let it start heating. These are the things that you will need for the meringue of the dessert, so we're going to get into making it. The first thing I'm doing is separating 6 eggs, so I just have the egg whites. What I do is I separate the egg white into 1 cup and pour it into the bowl after I separate each egg, and then put the yolk into another cup. You want your eggs to be room temperature. So you know this mixture is done whenever you can go like this with the beaters and the peaks don't fall over. Now that you have this mixture, you're going to pour in half a cup of your granular erythritol. We use Swerve, because that's what we like, and then half a teaspoon of your xanthan gum. We use the Sure Gel, and then a teaspoon of cream of tartar and a teaspoon of imitation vanilla extract. And then you want to make sure that you use a rubber spatula to fold this in very nicely. Also for this recipe, make sure that you use a glass bowl because you won't get these nice stiff peaks if the bowl isn't glass. So once you have everything all folded together, this is what your mixture should look like. Now you want to line your baking sheet with parchment paper, and it says to make it into a circle, so I'm going to try to do that, but it might be more ovular because my pan is rectangle. So now we're going to take this and put it into the oven, and whenever you transfer it to the oven, you have to immediately turn the oven down from 390 to 215 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you are going to bake it for 90 minutes or until it gets a golden brown coating on it. So the pavlova is about halfway done with cooking. I'm just going to show you guys. It's getting a little brown, but not very much, so it's got a ways to go yet, but yeah, that's what it's looking like. So now that it finished cooking, you're supposed to leave your oven door cracked open, and you're supposed to set a timer for 20 minutes, and you can see it's got like a nice golden brown top on it. So I took a half a cup of heavy whipping cream and mixed it up with the mixer. I'm just going to add like a teaspoon of sugar into it and continue mixing it. That way it has a little bit of sweetness to the homemade whipped cream. So you're supposed to prepare this as you are going to eat it. That way the meringue doesn't flop down with the toppings on it. So this is what it looks like now that it's ready to eat. Hey guys, my family just finished eating the pavlova. 10 out of 10. Would eat it again. Absolutely amazing. I bet it's a mess because I have like cookbooks on here and my tripod and my notebook and my water. Sorry, but yeah, it was great. Would recommend it. So it was delicious. It tasted like strawberry shortcake, like literally like strawberry shortcake. So if you guys do like these keto cooking videos and would like to see more, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you try the recipe, what you think of it, and hit that subscribe button because you want to see more of me, I guess. And ding the little bell if you do want to get notifications every single time that I upload. All of my social media links will be in the description box and down below as always. So yeah, that's about it for this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!